Okay, good morning. So umaga na, dito na natin tutuloy yung ride natin. Sagas muna tayo. Thank you. Alright, this time diretso na tayo ng Gabaldon. Alright, ingat-ingat sa atin. Mas 7:58 na pala, mag-alas 8 na. Diretso lang. Walang silbi yung stoplight dito. So this is Gapan Cabiao Bypass Road. Sabi, ganda dito. Puro mga palayan. So as of now, we got an ETA of 1 hour and 41 minutes. Sabi, ang haba na itong diretso na to. Alright, and just like that, andito na tayo ngayon sa Santa Rosa Fort Magsaysay. Time check, it's already 8:40. And yun, medyo tumitirik na rin yung araw ngayong umaga. Ay, grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. Puro pala yan. Ayun, big shoutout nga pala sa Team Lagalag. Yan, courtesy of Brother JV. Maraming salamat sa napaka-solid na suporta. Ride safe always. Ito, puro papaakyat na to. And habang papaakyat, palamig ng palamig. Not quite sure if this is still part of the Palayan City. Actually, maganda yung kapaligiran dito sa tao lang at presko yung hangin. It's just so happen na maraming mga sira-sirang kalsada, especially dito sa mga dugtungan ng kalsada. Yung ganda ng view dito. Grabe naman yun. Grabe, ito yung mga bulubundukin ng Sierra Madre. Sabi, diba, dito pa lang sa biyahe, nakaka-enjoy na. Well, usually ganoon naman talaga. Sabi nga ni Looney, mas exciting pa yung biyahe kesa sa mismong destinasyon, diba?
Naglalakbay para sa inspirasyon kasi mas masaya pa ang biyahe kesa sa mismong destinasyon.
Yun o. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda dito sa tulay na to. Grabe, solid.
I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Alright. They're very nice. Who would have thought na makakarating ako dito, no? This is very satisfying. Grabe, napakaganda ng paligid. Lamig ng klima kahit patanghali na. Baka solid mo, Slick 400. Wow, grabe. Sulit yung almost 2 hours na biyahe.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Alright, so tapos na natin kumain dito sa Agnes Canteen. And ito, rekta na tayo pabalik na Antipolo. Ikot lang tayo saglit doon. And we're gonna have a 214 kilometer ride. And that would take us like 4 hours and 20 minutes, mga ganun. Time check, it's already 10:49. So kainitan na ng biyahe natin. Solid talaga dito. Makikita mo yung ulap na nakasawsaw sa tuktok ng bundok. Grabe, solid. Ang presko pa rin ang hangin kahit ang hali na. Sarap sana sagarin papuntang Dingalan, Aurora, no? Kaso wala na tayong oras. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng paligiran dito. Gusto ko silang titigan ng both side. Buti na lang nakahiram tayo ng Insa 360 by Boss A. A big shout out Boss A.
Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know. Taking a breath, closing my eyes, taking a break. I don't want to run, I cherish myself, so don't cross the line. All the old times stare into your eyes. Please be quiet, do not break the silence. I'm not losing time, I want to waste it with you. Please be quiet, do not break the silence. Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know.
Alright, we are going to turn left papuntang Cabanatuan. Ayan, ang tawag pala dito sa daan na dinadaanan natin is ang Nueva Ecija Aurora Road. Buti dito maayos ang daan kesa dun sa dinaanan natin kanina. Ang lugar pala nito is Palayan City. Yan, this is the capital of Nueva Ecija. Ay, ang ganda naman ng City Hall ng Palayan City. Grabe, ang ganda ng kulay niya, no? Parang mga old school yung dating. I love Nueva Ecija. Ito yung provincial capital ng Nueva Ecija. Ayos ah. Alright, just like that, we're already here at Felipe Vergara Highway. Grabe, napakaluwag. Ilang lanes to, kala mo nasa expressway ka na eh. And then finally, nakabiyahe din tayo na Maalwan. This right now, we got an open road finally. Tirik na tirik yung araw. 12:26 na ng tanghali. And first time lang din namin dadaan dito sa CLX ang tawag dito eh. Banking konti. So ang CLX pala is Central Luzon Link Expressway. And well, hindi ko alam kung ano ng part ng Tarlac to. But grabe, napakaganda ng daan dito.
A few moments later.
Okay, may mausok doon. What the? Sabi ko lang ang ganda ng daan tapos biglang ganto. Sa mga ride talaga natin hindi nawawala yung off-road adventure. Focus tayo dito. Grabe, mahirap magkamali. Baka kumalat tayo sa daan. Unang scam ng taon. Ito na yung ending. Ang hihiling ko lang, sana may madaanan na tayong gasoline station dahil 2 bars na lang ang ating fuel gauge. Pero alam ko madami pa naman yan. But syempre, gusto ko lang makasigurado. Iba rin talaga yung feeling na nagmumotor ka sa expressway, no? Damang-dama mo yung palo ng hangin. It's just you and the motorcycle and the nature. Okay, labas muna tayo ng Tarlac City dahil medyo nag-aalangan ako dun sa gas natin. Nung chinek ko sa mapa, ang layo pa ng susunod na gasoline station. So syempre ayaw magtulak dito sa NLEX, no?
Meanwhile,
ay putik, mga hindi gas station to. May ibang gas yung napin natin. Tangke ng gasol. And yun, finally nakahanap kami gas station. This KKK Turbo. Ay, sa may pag-exit lang pala siya ng CLX. All goods na ulit. Nabahan ako dun. Alright, back to the ball game. We are 2 hours and 49 minutes mula dito sa KKK Turbo, Amukao, Tarlac City. Alright, let's go now. Alright, tapos na kayo mag-stop over dito sa City Mall. I guess part of Concepcion, Tarlac, no? Yan, grabe. Hindi ko alam na aabot kami dito sa lugar na to. Dire-diretsohin na natin to dahil may hinahabol pa tayong oras. Let's do this. Alrighty, time check. It's already 2:15 and we're 120 kilometers to go. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa mga agalaw natin kung umabot kayo sa point na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hey, maraming salamat sa mga nakasalamuha natin last year. Patuloy pa rin nakasuporta hanggang ngayong taon. But for now, I guess focus na lang muna kami sa biyahe and magkita-kita na lang tayo sa next vlog natin. And yun, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell, and make sure to follow our Facebook page. Big shout out to Premium Gears para sa ating air cool riding jersey. Yan, big shout out Boss A. Alan Fermin. Suportahan natin Premium Gears. Yan. And syempre sa FKM Antipolo branch, they're located at RMC Building, E. Rodriguez Avenue, corner Espedracio Street, Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City. Yan, supportahan natin ang FKM Antipolo. Big shout out to FKM Motorcycle Philippines. Yan. I guess that should be it. BBL here, and guys watching Respeto Agulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Like a doll made of glass, I will never break if I don't let you pass into my world, my crystal ball. What's inside my heart, you don't need to know. Taking a breath, losing